Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to use the electromagnetic roasting machine. This green button is the power button. Pressing it up will turn the power on, and pressing it down will turn it off. The red button, when pressed up, will start the forward rotation, and pressing it down will reverse the rotation to discharge the contents. First, let's set the machine to forward rotation. This switch here is the heating switch. Press it once to turn it off. The knob above adjusts the heating level. Turn it on and it will initially display level 3 out of a total of 6 levels. For making coconut crisps, typically level 1 is used. For roasting peanuts, you would generally use level 2, and for sunflower seeds, level 4 is suitable. If you're roasting chestnuts, you can use levels 5 or 6. Now, the knob I am adjusting here controls the rotation speed. The speed can be set according to what you're roasting. For sunflower seeds and peanuts, 70 RPM is sufficient. If you're roasting chestnuts, set it between 40 and 50 RPM. The lower part contains the thermostat. Press the left button to adjust the set temperature, which can range from 0 to 400 degrees Celsius. Typically, we set it to 150 degrees. The display shows 80 degrees, which is the temperature inside the pot. You can see, even at 80 degrees, I can still place my hand on top and it doesn't feel hot at all.